This video is for a magnificent 2-bed, 2-bath condo located in the prestigious Ocean Ave building on Ocean Avenue in Santa Monica, California. There are crystal clear views of the Pacific Ocean from this unit. It's right in front of Palisades Park. It looks down onto this beautiful Zen Garden. It has a massive wraparound balcony. The unit is approximately 1,700 square feet and has been very, very nicely finished off from top to bottom. A very upscale, beautiful condo in an A+ location. We're making our way around this wraparound balcony, getting a sense of really just how much outdoor space comes with this condo. Making our way into the unit now, where there is a massive living room, fantastic natural light, floor to ceiling windows throughout the unit. The property has 24-hour security. The unit has central air conditioning and heating. Very attractive white marble flooring. It has been custom painted, has crown moldings, a large dining area here right next to the kitchen with sleek marble countertops, lots of cabinet space, and stainless steel appliances. We make it easy for you to view this unit in person. Simply fill out the request a viewing box located on this page, type in your full name, your email address, and your phone number, and click send. And you'll immediately receive an email response from us with the property address and simple viewing instructions. Making our way into the master suite first. Huge master bedroom with floor to ceiling windows, and these have been slid open so it flows seamlessly onto the wraparound balcony. And so from your master bedroom here you can look right out onto the ocean. Plenty of closet space in both bedrooms, recessed lighting, and 2 very impressive full bathrooms. Attractive tile flooring in here, marble countertops on the dual vanities, lots of built-in closet and storage space, a jacuzzi tub, and separate shower. Very impressive master bath. There is a gym on site, elevator access up to this unit. The property is exceptionally well maintained. It's really in immaculate condition. Here is the second bathroom located in the hallway. Very attractive and very spacious bathroom with a tub and shower. The unit is being shot while occupied, but it can be delivered unfurnished, of course, or the owner is open to delivering it furnished. Not with this furniture. The owner has his own furniture for this unit, so if that's something you would like that would be more convenient for you, that is an option. So getting a look here at the second bedroom. Also very good size with lots of closet space. Another look at this balcony down onto the Zen Garden. And so that's about it. A beautiful 2-bed, 2-bath, high-end condo in a prime Santa Monica location on Ocean Avenue with beautiful ocean views. And you can check it out in person today. Just fill out that request a viewing box and click send. We hope you like it.